Welcome to lecture number 8. In this lecture, we will study stem and leaf plots. And in last lecture, we studied dot plot. Stem and leaf plot is also plotted for raw data. And by looking at the raw data, we first of all select the stem part and leaf part in each data point. Depending on the range or the type of data, we select appropriate stem and leaf in the data. Right, and it gives an idea about the distribution of data in a given data set like this. It's a raw data containing some numbers, and what we have to do is we are going to plot a stem and leaf plot for this data. We see the range is from some 40 is the minimum number here, and up to 90 something, maybe 95, right? 95 is the max number. So from 40 we have numbers between 40 and 95, and the numbers are integers, the whole numbers. So an appropriate selection of stem would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the stems of the data. So we have selected this as stem, the 10th digit. We have selected the 10th digit as stem, and the unit digit would be the leaves. Unit digits are this. For 44 is 10th digit, and this 0 is unit digit. So 10th digits would be, we will select 10th digit in each data point as stem, and we'll select the 1st digit as leaf. So stem and leaf plot, stem and leaf. So this is leaf. So stem and leaf plot. Right. So how do you start it? You'll first of all list all stems down in one column, and then we'll put a vertical line in front of it, in front of that column, and then on the right side of this vertical line we'll write the leaves. So these are stems, these are leaves. So how would you proceed? By iterating through this data, right from the first data point to the last data point. The first data point is 90, so this means the stem is 9 and the leaf is 0. So we'll write it 9 and we'll put a 0 here. This is the first entry we'll make in this leaf part of the table. Right, 9, after that we'll put 0. So this is the first entry we'll make. This is the first entry we'll make in this table, in the leaf part. This one, 0. We have already drawn this first column. We have already selected that, or we have already written this first column, and we have drawn this vertical line too. And out of the second part, the leaf part, the first entry would be 90, so we'll write a 0 here. So that would be the first entry on the right side of this table, or on the right side of this vertical line. And then we come across the point 70, so we'll put a 0 here. And then 70, we'll put a 0 here. And then 70, we'll put it again we'll put a 0 here. And then the next data point is 5, so we'll write a 5 here. Then 0, 70, 0, then 65, then this 5 in front of 6, and then 68, 8 in front of 6, 60, a 0 in front of 6, and that's, and we'll keep on going unless we complete this whole table. And then the final part is that we have to reorder something. Reordering means on the right side of the table we see the numbers are not sorted. We have 5, 8. On the right side we don't have sorted numbers. We have this This, for example, this 5, 8, then 0, then 8, then 5 and 5. So in order we can optionally reorder this, for example, this row 5808555. So 0 is the minimum number, then we have 3 instances of 5 and then 2 instances of 8. We can order them in increasing, we can sort them in increasing order, right? Again, we can sort this row too, because we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 instances of 0. So we'll write that 7 zeros first. We'll write those 7 zeros first, and then 4, and then 5 and 5, right? 4 5 5. So also we have also arranged this row in increasing order. So we actually have sorted these. We have to sort all the entries on the right side of the table, right? This is what reordering means. So these are stems and leaves, and, and that's all for this lecture. But students are encouraged to solve at least three examples in the book related to stem and leaf plot. Three examples. So students are examples are given, and three examples or problems or end problems. So you are encouraged to solve three examples or end problems of your own related to stem and leaf plot. We have a lot of problems and examples in our book. There are examples or problems at the end of each section, and there are problems at the end of the chapter 2. So you can select, you have a vast choice. You can select three examples or problems of your own choice related to stem and leaf plot, and you can solve them for you as your own of your own, and you can get those checked by me in the next class, right? Thank you.